Perhaps most bizarrely, in the midst of disaster, Shanghai Disneyland and Legoland both remained open. Legoland suspended its rides and shows, but kept gates open. Disneyland continued operations, citing strict weather monitoring and enhanced safety protocols. Social media lit up with reactions, some praising the decision as a show of resilience, others criticizing it as reckless. One user quipped, "If the ocean rises just a bit more, Mickey's going swimming." July 30th, 2025 will not be remembered for a super typhoon. It will be remembered for a series of overlapping crises, from the sky, the sea, and deep underground. Komei wasn't the strongest storm to hit China, but it was among the most chaotic and unsettling. In Shanghai alone, over 280,000 residents were displaced. Tens of thousands of travelers left stranded, and infrastructure pushed to its limits. Emergency authorities responded swiftly and decisively,